In this video, I'm going to show you how to make earring enhancers that are interchangeable so you can have a multitude of looks. I want to take a moment to show you a silicone filled bead. In this case, it's a charm. Basically, it has silicone inside with a little hole like this. But at the end of this video, I'm going to show you a hack if you don't have one of these. But here, I have a bit of wire and some chain. Now, the chain actually has loop that works with the stud. So the loop is large enough for the stud to go in through like this. But if you don't have that, you can use a jump ring. So we want to essentially wire wrap a charm onto a piece of a fine chain. And so I make a loop like this, and then I slide the charm, the jump ring of the charm into that loop, and then wire wrap it closed. I'm also going to put a link here for a bracelet that is adjustable for you to see. Anyway, so now I trim that flush. So basically I have a wire with this closed inside. I'm not sure if you can see that clearly. There you go. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side by making another loop so it looks like a figure eight now. And then I'm going to slide the chain into that loop like this. And I'm going to do the same thing of wire wrapping it closed like this. Now, you can also put a bead in between if you want flair, but I'm going to keep it very simple because I want it to blend in with the rest so that the focus will be elsewhere. So I'm going to trim. And so now there's a tiny figure eight. I'm going to do a close-up like this. And then you can just adjust it and make it, flatten it out. So we have a drop. Because the chain is now attached to a silicone bead, it can be used with a pair of studs. The backing would be the silicone bead, and then you have a long piece of chain hanging from a pair of studs. Here I have my favorite 3mm CZ studs, like this. And here, the stud post actually goes through the chain, like this. And so before you put into the ear, the stud, loop it through the chain, and then the backing is the silicone bead, and it works perfectly with different sizes of stud post. And now you have a really funky pair of chain long earrings like this, and it can be interchangeable and you don't have to wear it with it. And if you have a collection of charms with loops that the chain can go through, then you have now lots of possibilities of interchangeable different styles of earrings provided by changing the drops alone. So here the chain, I'm going to put it through, and then first put the stud through the loop, then into the ear, and then into the backing. So this is the look. And as promised, here's another hack. If you do not have the silicone bead, you can substitute that with a simple butterfly clutch, and it works the same way. You can also add beads on either side of the chain, and you have a different look. I'm going to put a link on the screen for a different earring hack I think you'll enjoy. But basically now you have a variety of different possibilities. If you found my video to be useful, please like and subscribe. And I would love to hear your comments, and I will reply to all comments in the comment section.